Okay, people, it is time once again for a SheIn haul. Yes, I'm sunburned. By the time you see this video, hopefully it'll be gone. But right now, I'm burnt. So, I ordered from SheIn again because I was so happy with the jeans that I got in my last haul. I'll link it up here. And the way that they fit, I wanted to get more. So, not only did I get a pair of jeans, these are flare jeans because I'm loving this whole reversion to the 1970s that we're having, where everyone's wearing like flare jeans and dressing like Stevie Nicks, like it's 1975. I love that. I think it's great. I even have like hippie pants on today. However, I am interested to see if these jeans fit like the other ones because they are, in fact, the same measurements on the website and the same size. So we're gonna see if they fit. Plus there are 3 pairs of shorts in here, all of which are jean shorts. They're all denim. One of them super stretchy, the other 2 not so much. But before I talk about those 2 things, one, I got some other stuff I want to show you that I'm not going to try on because they're not things I can try on. And this is not sponsored. So first thing is, as you can see, I have my long nails on. They'll probably have changed by the time you see this. I am able to wear long nails again for my job, which is awesome. So I got some fake nails off SheIn. They have a ton of press-on nails. I did not know this until I like stumbled across them. So I got 4 pair because they were all great reviews. So this one is just long white, similar to the shape I have on now. They do look a little thick, but that might just be whatever they're resting on in here. I think maybe the nails are double layered, so that would be why. And these people said you can cut down really easily if you have a nail drill or even like a really good nail file. And then I got those come with 24, by the way, and then the little sticker sheets. However, I glue all my nails on. This one is the opalescent white, which I'm like obsessed with. It's so pretty, and the model made them look amazing. Then there is this yellow and purple set, which I see there's a little file in here. These I thought would be more yellow than neon green, so I might kind of paint over them a little bit on those ones. These were all like anywhere between $1 and $2, so not that big of a deal. And then I got these purple cheetah print ones with purple glitter, and then the lavender. These are a little bit shorter, but I think they're gonna look really cute. The next things I got are temporary tattoos. Again, didn't know these were a thing on SheIn, wasn't looking for them on SheIn. They just came across my suggested page. So I got 4 of them and they each were like $1. So the first one I got is this flower one. I have an idea for a makeup look I want to do, but I want to be like covered in tattoos for it. So I thought I would do it. Plus I love tattoos. I don't have the money to get tattooed the way I want to right now. So I'm gonna put fake ones on. So I got these flowers. I just thought they were really pretty. I'm not sure where I'll put them, but I like them. I also got this moth with these flowers and the moon. I mean, this is bigger than I thought it would be. I thought it was gonna be like half this size and I was gonna do it like here, but this is like way too big for that. But if you were going like the beach or something and you wanted some like fake tattoos, I think this would be a pretty sternum piece, or like on your ribs or your side or something. This might go on an arm or a leg, whatever I end up deciding. Then I got these big ones. Again, these were still only like $2. There's like a girl who's like kind of a werewolf kind of vibe I'm getting, and then like a tiger situation down here. I just thought the colors look really pretty, and I think this would make a cool leg piece or like all over your back. And then this one is super fun. It is a unicorn with like the moon phases, and then it comes down and there's a box with a fan and stuff. And this is obviously meant to be like an arm piece just because it's kind of rounded like your shoulder would be. And that's where it's on the model in the picture. But they have a ton of these. They have black and gray ones too. And maybe if you're thinking about getting a piece done and you're not sure what you want, or you're not sure if you want black or gray, get these. Give them a go. before you commit to a lifelong, you know, permanent piece. All right, now time to talk about the shorts. So first pair, I feel like will be fine. They look shorter in person than they did on the website, but these are the first pair. So a denim, just with a low roll, button fly. I like a good button fly. Some people don't, depending on who you are. I like it. And then they have these really tiny back pockets. I feel like these back pockets are meant for like butt enhancement. Like the smaller the pocket, the bigger your butt will look. I don't know. But these are super stretchy. These are more like a jegging material than a denim material. So I got a large in these. So we will try these on first. Number one, they come up just above the belly button. So they are high-waisted, but I would like them to be maybe like an inch higher. I mean, I can make them work for sure, but for crop top purposes in the summer, I would want them just a tidbit higher. But here they are from the side. They're very stretchy, very comfortable. The buttons I don't feel like are gonna explode open if I eat or drink, which is good. The pockets are actually, you know, like I can put my phone in here. Not so much the back pockets. Now here's the back, which is nice and covered. If you want, you could probably pull them up higher and they would be like just under your booty. But for me, that would create bunching up here. And it's not a good look. So pair number one, I give these an 8 out of 10 just based on how the front looks. Now, obviously, as I keep going on my fitness journey, the front will look different and probably more flattering, but just so you know, this is what it looks like. Okay, so I think I should mention too, I'm currently wearing the first pair of shorts. I can sit in them, no problem, and I have no gapping in the waist. So if that's a concern that you run into from having a bigger tush and a smaller waist, there's no gapping. Now, next pair I got are these pink pair, which had really good reviews, and these are potential vacation shorts, so I really hope they fit. They are just pink denim. These are more cut like these are not stretchy. They feel like denim, almost feel not corduroy, but like they're kind of that texture. But they're just like baby pink, and they have the little fold at the bottom. I think they're super cute. They have a lot of pink shorts. If you're looking for pink shorts for whatever purpose, they probably have every cut and every like size that you could want. I saw a lot with like the paper bag waist. I saw ones that had like all these layered button looks. So if you need pink shorts, they have a bunch, but these ones have no stretch. These are a large, and they're fully polyester. So they're not going to be any stretch in them, but we'll give them a go and hopefully they fit. They don't fit. So the problem is not in the legs. The legs actually fit. Like I can kind of tell if something's going to fit or not by when I put my leg into it. If we get to the bottom of my thigh and I'm already pulling and kind of squeezing, they got to go. However, I got these up to the top of my thigh, and as soon as I tried to put my butt in them, it didn't work. No matter how much I jumped, wiggled, squatted, you know the drill. If you're mid, plus size, or actually probably any size trying to put on jeans, the jump, wiggle, 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 squat, jump, 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 you know. Nope, wasn't happening. I feel like if I lose like maybe 2 pounds in my legs, they would fit. So I'm hesitant to return them because I don't know. I'm hesitant to return them. They weren't very expensive, so I'm not, I think they were like $6. So I'm not sure that I want to return them or if I want to hang on to them and just see what happens. And then if they don't end up ever fitting me, then give them to somebody else. So we'll see. Those were my backup shorts for vacation. These are my shorts I really want to wear for vacation. So they are these two-tone shorts. Yes, I went with two-tone shorts again. These ones are gonna fit better, or they're gonna look better, hopefully, than the other ones. These have a slight stretch them, but the pockets are just so cute and they're so pastel, and I really want them to fit. However, I'm gonna put them next to these ones because they are the same size, or supposedly the same size as the pink ones. And these have, now this is hopeful because I feel like the two-tone ones are just a smidge bigger. So hopefully that is the 1/4 of an inch that I need to get these on. So let's see. 1/4 of an inch almost got us there, but not quite. It's disappointing and frustrating when stuff is listed as the same size as other things you ordered and then they fit completely different, but such is the way of women's clothing. However, these ones I got almost up to my waist. They definitely were a lot easier to pull up. So what I'm hoping is that these ones will fit by September. I mean, I have quite a bit of time. I'm hoping these fit more than the pink ones. Hopefully both of them will fit, but I think these ones I'm more realistically going to fit into than the pink ones at this point in time. So now it's time to put on the ones that I really care if they fit or not. Like the other things, I can wear other things for vacation, right? However, these jeans, they are black. They are slightly distressed. As you can see, there's a hole right there at the knee, and there's a couple other little spots. They're flare jeans. This is the 70s aesthetic I'm trying to achieve, and we're gonna hope they fit. Now, these are the exact same measurements to the letter as the jeans I got before. They're not as stretchy. Well, there's some stretch, and there's definitely more stretch than the pairs of shorts, except the first pair. So let's try these bad boys on, and if they fit, I will be overjoyed, and this whole order will be worth it because these were like $11. And if I went and got these jeans at American Eagle, the whole cost of my order would be the pair of one jeans. So, you know, in my brain, it makes sense. So they fit almost. If you can tell, they're not buttoned and they're not zipped. So here is where they're not fitting. Everywhere else they are on. They're on my thighs. They're tight, but they're definitely on. The rips are where they need to be. However, these are so long. I don't know if you can see. I am 5'3". So if you are, well, I'm 5'3", 5'4"-ish. So I am like walking on these pant legs. Like even on my tiptoes, I'm stepping on them. So I'm gonna have to hem them or something. However, I am losing a lot of weight right here right now because I have completely changed my diet. So I'm gonna continue doing that, and I lost like 5 pounds since the last haul. So I'm gonna keep up with that. No, I'm not doing keto. No, I won't tell you what I'm doing because it's not for everybody and I'm not a doctor. So I need these to fit by October, and I think I can get there with that. So I'm going to keep these. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I'm sitting back and on my knees now. If I look taller, that's why. I am tired. Why is trying on clothes when you're mid-size / plus size so damn hard? But basically the point of these videos is because I know a lot of you, if you're like me, trying on clothes is like a torturous event for you, and I totally understand. I hate going jean shopping. I hate putting on swimsuits. So I figure I'm trying to save people heartache here by buying clothes myself, trying them on, seeing if they fit, and if they don't, I just return them or I get over it, or give them to somebody else if it's not worth shipping them back. But the size that SheIn tells you you are or you should be does not define you, nor does any size number on the scale or whatever define you. Just know, like, I'm a size 12, I'm short, it's the way I'm built, it's probably never gonna change. So, you know, it is what it is, and this is just like educational purposes. So I'm not looking for pity or fishing for comments, I'm just trying to be helpful. So if you guys like these videos, let me know. I'm a SheIn fiend, so I will probably order more from them. This doesn't turn me off from them at all. And I'll see you guys in the next one. So happy shopping. Hope you have better luck than I did.